then fare thee well, sweet Donegal, the rosses and githor. I'm crossing the main ocean, where the foaming billows roar. It breaks my heart from you to part, where I spent many happy days. Farewell to kind relations, I am bound for America. Oh, then may my Mary, you're my heart's delight, my pride and only care. It was your cruel father would not let me stay there, but absence makes my heart grow fond, and when I am over the main, may the Lord protect my darling girl till I return again. And I wish I was in sweet Dunlow and seated on the grass, and by my side a bottle of wine, and on my knee a lass. I'd call for either of the best, and I'd pay before I would go, and I'd roll my Mary in my arms in the town of Sweet